Hello beautiful people, how you guys doing? Hope you guys are doing perfectly fine. If this is the first time I'm watching my video, hi, my name is Etiosa. You're welcome to my YouTube channel. And for my channel subscribers, thank you guys so much for tuning in today. And for those of you that haven't subscribed, please hit the red subscribe button down below, and if you do, don't forget to turn on your notification button so you will be notified whenever I'll be dropping a new video. And do not forget to give this video a like. All right, so guys, in today's video I'm going to be giving you guys recipe on how to make half-caste face cream. So in my previous video I taught you guys on how to make half-caste body lotion, and many of you were requesting for the face cream recipe. So today I decided to make this video. All right, so this recipe is going to give you 4 shades. All right, so if you are dark in complexion or you are caramel in complexion like me and you want to brighten your face, I won't really advise you use this recipe because this is going to whiten your skin. But if you want to use it, then you can use it for like 3 times a week, and it has to be at night. All right, so this recipe is going to give you 4 shades, glow your skin, take care of your pigmentation, dark spots, and also give you that beautiful glow. All right, but this face cream is going to be used at night. You are not to use it during the day. All right, so for those of you that have been watching my video lately and you discover my settings and also my skin is going a little bit darker. That's because I've not been using anything for the past 1 month. So as doctor said, he said I shouldn't use anything on my skin because of my skin condition. But today I decided to be a little bit stubborn, so I decided to use my glow oil because my skin was going too dry. It was so dry, so I wanted it to be popping since I'm using artificial light, and this artificial light itself is not giving me what I need. But you know, we have to continue with what we got. So just in case you're seeing my skin like this, I'm loving it anyway. I'm loving this caramelicious beautiful skin. I have nothing to do, but I'm going to bounce back. It's just a matter of time anyway, but I'm loving it. So let's quickly dive right into the video. So guys, I have the recipe written down already, so I'm going to be giving you guys the recipe and also in percentage and how you're going to make this product. So I'll be writing the name on the screen for you guys to know what I'm talking about, just for most of you that can't hear me, and also the picture on the screen. So the first recipe, or let's say the first product you're going to need, is your half-caste base cream. So there is not really a big deal on how to make half-caste base cream. For those of you that don't know how to make half-caste base cream, it's just the same way you make your normal base cream or your lightning base cream. Yes, that just the difference is just you using half-caste oil. That's just the only thing I know. Okay, so just in case you want to make this lotion, this face cream, you need half-caste base cream. All right, so you'll be needing 49% of your half-caste base cream. And there's something I need to say in this particular recipe. So if you want to make this face cream and you already have your base, please, the base you should use is not the type of base that contains different type of butters or coconut oil. Okay, so the base cream has to be different from the normal base cream you use on your body, because you know face is different from body. Okay, so when you are making your base cream, you have to consider the type of oil and the type of butters you use, okay, so that it won't clog your pores. So if you use something like coconut oil, use something like mango butter, cocoa butter, this base cream is going to clog your pores, and you wouldn't want that. What I mean is, you're going to be prone to acne, or if you are already prone to acne, you have an oily skin, this face cream is going to give you acne, or let's say pimples. So you have to be very careful when making this. Just make a separate base cream aside from the one you normally make. I won't advise you buy from the market because you don't know what the one you will buy, you don't know the ingredients it contains, so it will be safe for you to make your own base cream yourself. Just use half-caste oil, you can use argan oil, or you can use rose hip oil, or you can also use sunflower oil as your oil base or so, and then you just use your wax, and that's just all you need. So please do not use comedogenic oil, so they are going to clog your pores. I just thought to let you guys know about that. And then the second ingredient you will need is vitamin E oil. So you're going to be needing 2% of vitamin E oil, Vitamin E oil is an antioxidant, and also at the same time it softens the skin, it glows the skin, and it helps treat the skin. And then you're going to be needing 24-hour serum. Okay, so you in this you'll be needing 5%. So 24-hour serum is good for the face, and also it lightens the skin, it glows the skin. It's a very beautiful serum that is good for face cream. And then another ingredient you'll be needing is shedding cream. I don't know how you're going to get this, but if you can't, it will be better. If you can't find the shedding cream, I don't know what I'll give you guys as a substitute, but I'll write it on the screen just in case I remember any cream you can use as a substitute for shedding cream. So you'll be needing 5% of shedding cream, and then you'll be needing half-caste oil 5%. You'll be needing Malaysian oil 5%. So this oil lightening oil. So if you can't get Malaysian oil, you can use cotonou 10 days oil. Okay, is that the same thing? Is that the same? They do the same thing. Yeah, they work for the same purpose. So both are just lightening, or let's say whitening oil. So you can use either cotonou 10 days, or you can use Malaysian oil. Both are beautiful when it comes to face cream. And then you're going to be making use of Ahpa arbutin powder, not Ahpa arbutin serum. Okay, so the main reason why you should use Ahpa arbutin powder is because of the potency and how effective it is and how it works for the face. I've used Ahpa arbutin in several occasions when making my product, and I love the outcome of it. Ahpa arbutin don't really whitens as people make it seem like. Ahpa arbutin basically brightens the skin gradually. So you can use this when you want to formulate caramel products, or product for dark skin. It's just going to brighten their skin gradually, okay, without you even noticing it. Okay, so another product you will need is egg white serum. Okay, you'll be needing 5%, Ahpa arbutin 2%. Please do not use more than 2%. So if you don't know how to convert Ahpa arbutin percentage, or let's say if you don't know how to convert percentage into gram, you can as well just do it this way. Now you want to make, let's say, 500 ml of this face cream, or 100 ml of this face cream. All you need to do is just to let me show you guys. All you need to do is to get your pen and your book, then write down, let's say you are making 500 ml, and then you have all your ingredients. Just do now Ahpa arbutin, you're making use of 2%, then you say 2 divide by 100, then times the quantity you want to make, let's say times 500. So you will get the, I don't know if you guys can see it, then you will get the gram you need. All right, so it's as simple as that, and the same thing applies to the remainings of your ingredient. Just do the percentage of the ingredient, divide by 100. Everything has to be divided by 100, and times the quantity you want to make, then you get your gram. Don't just go and buy Ahpa arbutin, and Ahpa arbutin is very expensive. Don't go and buy Ahpa arbutin and you just pour it into your products. Please do not do that. It's going to react. All right, so either 2% or 1.5, or even 1% is fine, but do not use more than 2%. And then you're going to be needing whitening kenacol. You're going to be needing 10%, and you're going to be needing Allantoin powder. So Allantoin powder helps to calm the skin. At the same time, it helps treat the skin. It helps with redness, and also for some skin conditions. So you're going to be needing 1% of Allantoin powder, or 2%. And then you'll be needing skin-free milk. So skin-free milk lightens the skin, it gives that luminous skin tone. So skin-free milk is good when it comes to face cream and body lotion. So it depends on whatever you want to add it in. So you're going to be needing 4%. And then you're going to be needing Sepi white serum. You're going to be needing 5%. So Sepi white serum is a whitening serum. So if you can't find Sepi white serum, you can use Sepi white powder, and you have to use it at the percentage of 5. So now I already have all the percentage written down, which is about 100%. So when after calculating everything is 100%. So when you want to use some other products, you want to include some other products inside this recipe, all you need to do is to rewrite your percentage again. So not really rewriting them, just remove the percentage you are adding into this product, or eventually you are using any other serum, you're adding any other serum inside this recipe, you have to remove the percentage from your base, okay, so that everything can be at the percentage of 100. It can't be 101, it can't be 200%, everything has to be 100%. That's why I'm giving you guys this in percentage, so that you guys will not go beyond or use it at the percentage that you are not supposed to. And then I have Ylang essential oil. So Ylang essential oil is a beautiful essential oil that helps glow the skin, treats the skin, take care of pigmentation and also pimples. It's beautiful when it comes to face cream, okay, so you can make use of 1%. And then you need Germal plus preservative, you're going to be making use of 1%, okay. So now if you want to use another essential oil, or you want to include another essential oil with Ylang essential oil, then you have to divide the percentage at the percentage of 0.5. The essential oil has to be 1%. Okay, so I'm just writing it down so that I will know what I'm saying. So that is all you need when you want to make your half-caste face cream. So now, how are you going to do this? All you need to do is just to pour in all your pour in your base cream in a beaker or in a bowl, add in your serum, use your scale to measure, add in your serums, your oils, and then you mix together. So when it comes to your Allantoin powder and your Ahpa arbutin is soluble in water, Seppi white have the solution, okay. So you just Allantoin is also soluble in water, so all you need to do is to remove the percent. Let's say you remove 5% from your base, okay, remove 5% from your base. Your base is your half-caste cream base, okay, for those of you that don't know. So just remove your Seppi white powder, your Ahpa arbutin powder, and then you pour it into the water. You make sure you mix together, make sure it dissolved before adding it into your cream. Don't just pour the powder inside, please. It's not going to dissolve, and at the same time it won't be good. It's not advisable to do that. So all you need to do is just to pour everything together, then you mix. If you have a stick blender, then use your stick blender to stick blend. Make sure everything cooperates very well, and then you are good to go. You can use this face cream at night, and you can use it 3 times a week. For those of you that are light skin and you don't want to over whiten your skin, then you can use it 3 times a week just to maintain your complexion and give you that glow skin. So guys, if you like this video, don't forget to subscribe, like, share and comment. So you can leave a comment down below. Please do not send me a message on my WhatsApp line asking me how are you going to do this. I've given you guys the substitute for some of the ingredients, so don't come and start asking me, can you use this in place of this one? No, I've said what I need to say. So if you can't do it the way I've said it, then you leave it, okay, don't make it. So I'll see you guys in my next video. Don't forget to give this video a like, share, comment, and I will see you guys later. Bye.